Hello everyone, Michael here for Adventurous Real Estate Investors. Today I want to discuss how the entities in a typical multifamily syndication are structured so you can understand who takes title of the property and how the property is managed. In a typical real estate syndication, there are two entities created, one for the investment structure and then another one for the management structure. The investment LLC takes title of the property and owns 100% of the property. Typically, the investment LLC is made up of limited partners as Class A members and the management LLC as Class B members. The percentage of ownership between the two depends on the deal, but in our deals, it is typically a 70-30 split with 70% going to the limited partners because we also give an 8% preferred return. The management LLC is comprised of all the general partners. They can be members of the management LLC as either individuals or as their companies. Through the management LLC, the general partners manage all aspects of the property's day-to-day operations, while the limited partners just sit back and collect their quarterly distributions. However, that does not mean that the limited partners don't have a say in operations if the deal tanks. There are certain provisions that allow LPs to remove the management LLC and replace it with a more competent one. You'll need to check your PPM on how to do that. Both of these LLCs are typically formed in the state that the property is in. However, please consult your legal counsel to determine what is the best option for your syndication. I hope this video helped uncover some of the questions surrounding entity formation for a syndication. If you found value in this video, please smash the like button here and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, explore more, adventure awaits.